So we're having pizza tonight in the hot tent. Wood burners on. Oven's warming up. So Louise is gonna.
Yeah, what's it on? It's on 150.
Yeah, and rising.
So we're just doing the pizza base now.
Joint effort, isn't it?
Not quite.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Bit of cheese.
So the tomato base is done.
Right, little sprinkle of cheese. Oh, look at that.
Bit of onion.
Oh, look at that. Bit of ham.
Oh, bit of chorizo. I think I'll have this first one. Well, this is packed on. Not too big, no?
No, bigger. Big is better, isn't it? In my opinion. What do you think?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, definitely. This looks like it'll be mine then. And then a bit of cheese on top.
Cheese.
I think we've overloaded this.
No, that's perfect.
This is what you call a bushwhacker pizza.
Yeah, plenty of calories. Plenty of wholesomeness in that, isn't there?
Yeah, plenty.
Do you want to just have a little top off with a bit of onion on top of there, Louise?
As well?
Yeah, so we've got multi-layers.
Oh yeah, multi-layer pizza, there we go. Amazing.
Just like a mama used to make.
That is very hot. That's in.
Shut door. Right.
And we'll start getting on our next one.
So waiting game now.
It is, yeah.
You hungry?
Really hungry.
You warm?
Really warm.
You cosy?
Cosy.
Welcome to the RBM.
It's
up
about,
2
what would
mini.
you say, it's 4 degrees today. So it's pretty cold.
What do you reckon it is in here?
About 30.
My age.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're certainly toasty in here.
Yeah, really tasty. Hey,
Only a
Buzzy.
little bit.
Hope you're not too cold out there.
Grub's on, boy.
lovely.